This is the Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Friday, February 15th. I'm Marche Bird. The winter sports season is down to its final week in basketball, and 2 Commodore teams participate in state championships in the next 2 weeks. Today, the diving competition begins for the boys swimming team. Maury is represented by Owen Redfern, Harry Ramsey, and Alex Walker. Tomorrow, the remainder of the boys team competes in the swimming events at George Mason University. Tayon Gibbs will represent Maury in the wrestling state championships, which take place at the Robinson Secondary School in Fairfax. Tonight, the boys basketball team celebrates senior night as they take on the Grassfield Grizzlies here at Maury. Game time is 7. Seniors Matt Mencia, Brian Phillips, and Chase Coleman have been starters since their freshman year. The Commodores should be strong contenders for the Region 5A title. Now here's what's happening at MHS. That's all for Friday's update. We'll see you next Wednesday. I'm Marche Bird. Have a great holiday weekend.
This has been a Commodore News Update.